Hi, fellow Toastmasters. Sometimes we'll want to rename ourselves, particularly for the timer, but you just might want to rename yourself anyway. And it's pretty straightforward. All you want to do is go up to the top right of your picture where you'll see three horizontal buttons. If you click on that, you'll get a drop-down menu, and there are 6 options there. Simply click on Rename, and that will bring up a window right in the middle of your screen where you can enter your new name there. Once you've created your new name, simply put Rename, and then your name will show up under your picture. So it's really quite easy. Then when you come into the next meeting, I mean, whenever you want to do this, it's always the same process. So if I were to go back and go, you know what, I don't like what I did, I'm going to rename myself again, I can just go back to Lynn, rename, and done. It's that straightforward. Thanks for watching.